Former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and his supporters are marching on the capital to call for early elections. They started the 380-kilometer walk to Islamabad in the eastern city of Lahore. Officials say the protesters will be barred from entering the capital. Khan stepped down after losing a no-confidence vote in April. He's been charged with corruption, but says the allegations are part of his opponent's efforts to keep him out of politics. Well, Kamal Haider has more on this from Lahore.
Imran Khan has started his long march from the provincial capital of the Punjab in Lahore. This is Liberty Square, where thousands of people have gathered. They were listening to the former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Women and children, the young and old, and his supporters have converged here to prepare for the long march on Islamabad. Now, speaking at the rally, the former Prime Minister singled out the country's intelligence chief, saying that he has become political. He's requested the army chief to take action. He spoke against the torture of journalists and even a senior legislator who was tortured in the custody. It is important to note that Pakistan is going through turbulent political times. The government in Islamabad is limited to only the capital, because Imran Khan enjoys support in the Punjab, in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, in Pakistani-administered Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. He had already told the foreign media that he expected up to 1 million people to descend on Islamabad. But he's also assured everyone that this is going to be a peaceful march, that they will not go into the red zone in Islamabad, and said that this is their struggle for freedom.
God has blessed Khan with everything and anybody could dream of. But he's fighting for us, for our rights of Pakistan, the freedom of Pakistan, for the rights of our children, grandchildren, and our elderly, our young, all the generations to come. And inshallah, he will win this battle with the support of the people of Pakistan and get rid of the corrupt